Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the review and swatches of 6 years anniversary trio by Cupcake Polish. This is a limited edition set and will only be available till 31st July. Right now there is also a 30% off store-wide sale going on and that will go on till 5th July. So if you like this collection or you have some other polishes in your wish list, then this is the perfect time to take advantage of the sale and grab some of the gorgeous polishes. As always, the links and the coupon code are listed below, so feel free to check it out. And now, without any further ado, let's get into the swatches. The first one I'm going to swatch is called Greatest Dream. This one is an indigo purple jelly nail polish packed with a rainbow of iridescent flakies and metallic multichrome flakies. So going on with my first coat. This looks a little bit sheer, but it gave me full coverage in 2 coats and I applied it very sloppy. So going in with my second coat, and here is the final look after top coat and cleanup. This one is a really stunning polish and it is one of my favorites from this set. I love all the 3, but this one is my favorite. Moving on to the next one. This one is called Sweet as 6. It's a lilac holographic nail polish packed with super shiny silver metallic flakies and holographic micro flakies. Once again, this is also a very beautiful and stunning polish. So here goes my first coat. These are very shiny and very reflective polishes. So here is the second coat. And this is how it looks after top coat and cleanup. Beautiful color, and it's a very beautiful and super shiny polish. The final polish in this trio is called Established 2013. It's a multifaceted metallic gunmetal nail polish filled with shiny holographic flakies. So here goes my first coat. And going in with my second and final coat. So here is the final look after top coat and cleanup, and this one is also a very beautiful and gorgeous polish. Like I was saying, I like all the 3, but Greatest Dream is my favorite. So guys, I hope you liked this very quick swatching video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the red subscribe button and be a part of this lovely family. I really appreciate all the love and support you show towards my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to check my other tutorials and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye.